Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Dodge Charger headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and parked safely. You'll need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new H11 headlight bulb. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get started by opening the hood and finding the headlight assembly. Once the hood is open, you'll see two plastic clips holding the top of the headlight in place. Carefully remove these clips using your flathead screwdriver. With the clips out, you can gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you better access to the bulb. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now that the old bulb is exposed, twist it counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert your new H11 bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector and slide the headlight assembly back into position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.